Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, heated seats, front fog lights, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.